Hello my dear friends, this is John. Nice to see you again on my channel RRAA Info TV. Hope you are all fine. Me too. I'm staying in China now. So today I would like to talk about the currency of China. Does China use cash? Do we use cash for shopping? Do we use cash? How do we do the shopping being in China? Let me know. I want to know your answer. Most of the developing countries, people are using cash to go for shopping. So does China do the same? Like, do we have to carry cash all the time with us? If I want to buy grocery, vegetables, if I want to buy a very small thing, do I have to carry the cash with me, currency with me all the time? If I go to supermarket, if I go to a supermarket and want to buy some big amount of things, do I need to pay cash? What answer should be, and what is your answer? Let me know.
Tears falling down at the party, saddest little baby in the room.
In your answer, oh, it will take a long time. Let me tell you one thing, that in China we have e-cash. What is e-cash? Electronic cash. And what is electronic cash? That electronic cash, like you pay just scanning the QR code. I will let you know here, QR code. Like most of the time, I've spent about 4 years and I never carried the cash with me. What do we carry? We have just a mobile phone, and there is a app WeChat. Our bank card is connected with the WeChat, and there is an option and you can pay by WeChat. Like the buyer and the seller both have WeChat. Each and every person has WeChat here in China. WeChat is an essential part of China. Like they mostly have QR codes. We scan QR codes, we pay money directly within a second. No need to carry a cash along the ways. And most of the grocery stores, buyers, shops, they have QR codes form. QR code picture in the card form. They just paste on their workplace, and after getting the things we just scan, and after scanning we get paid and get our things done. Either you're gonna buy small things or big things, or you don't need to worry about the cash. In the past, especially too in the subway cars, if you want to recharge your card, there was no facility to pay for WeChat, but now recently they have opened this facility that you can pay online, and we are out of the problem now. It's a great thing. No cash, no worries, but e-cash must be in your, and in WeChat you must connect that card. I will tell you the most important and social apps in China, which are competing to our Facebook, competing to our Google, and all other international apps. But China has its own way of working, doing business, and how do they do? I will show you in next video. I hope that you would love to subscribe my channel. If not, I request you, please do subscribe my channel as well. Like and comment below the section so that you can give me your feedback. If what you want to know, what is good, what's bad, let me know. I hope that you will do that. Bye bye for now. See you later.
I'm so in love with you.